Welcome to Vehicle Club, your trusted hub for the latest auto updates, honest reviews, and exciting launches. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Maruti Zen Classic, a nostalgic comeback that blends retro charm with modern engineering. The icon returns. The name Zen holds a special place in the hearts of Indian car lovers. Launched in the 90s, it was known for its sporty design and peppy performance. Now, Maruti Suzuki has revived this icon with the 2025 Zen Classic, reimagining the legend while preserving its soul. The classic version pays homage to the original, bringing back the compact profile, minimalistic styling, and the unmistakable Zen silhouette. Design language, retro meets modern. At first glance, the 2025 Zen Classic stands out with its vintage-inspired round headlamps, clean body lines, and chrome accents. But there's more under the surface. LED lighting, 15-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, and a revised grille with subtle modern touches elevate its road presence. Maruti has struck the perfect balance between old-school aesthetics and contemporary design. Interior and features. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a smart blend of nostalgia and tech. The dual-tone dashboard nods to the original Zen, while the 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and automatic climate control ensure it meets 2025 standards. The cabin remains compact but cleverly laid out, offering practicality and comfort for city use. Performance and efficiency. Powering the new Zen Classic is a refined 1.2L dual-jet petrol engine, producing around 90 PS and mated to either a 5-speed manual or AMT gearbox. With Maruti's lightweight hardtech platform, the Zen Classic promises excellent fuel efficiency, estimated at over 22 kilometers per liter, making it perfect for daily commuting and urban adventures. Pricing and final thoughts. Expected to be priced between 5.5 Indian rupees to 7.5 Indian rupees lakhs, ex-showroom. The Zen Classic is aimed at young drivers, retro car lovers, and practical buyers alike. With its nostalgic appeal and modern functionality, it could very well redefine the entry-level hatchback market. Outro Vehicle Club A. That's all for today on Vehicle Club. If you're excited about the Zen Classic, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more auto content. See you in the next drive.